Before Christmas, so many people rushed to get tested for COVID. We saw long lines at sites giving away free take-home tests because people in the triad wanted to protect their loved ones. And now doctors say after Christmas, it's equally as important to get tested again, this time to protect yourself. Here's why. Here's the top 3 things you need to know. Doctors say that post-COVID testing first helps prevent the spread of the virus to others when you head back into the office. But it can also make a big difference for you because the best COVID treatments have to be given early on after you catch the virus. So it is best to get tested 3 to 5 days after gathering with everyone. The one catch? WFMY News 2's Amber Lake says tests can be hard to come by right now.
Adler Pharmacy in Greensboro completely wiped out of at-home COVID-19 tests. And they're not sure when exactly they're going to get more in this store, but they aren't alone. Today, Dr. Anthony Fauci said this is unacceptable.
We've obviously got to do better. I mean, I think things will improve greatly as we get into January, but that doesn't help us today and tomorrow.
And as the number of cases continue to rise,
the last weekly average was about 150,000, and it likely will go much higher.
Chief White House medical advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci says so does the demand for tests.
Or the combination of the Omicron variant itself, as well as the holiday season where people want to get that extra level of assuredness that they're protected even if you are vaccinated and boosted.
Because of this, pharmacies like CVS and Walgreens have put a limit on how many tests you can buy in one purchase. But health experts still urge people to find a way to get tested.
We should be using testing much more extensively than we have, even in a situation where you have people who are vaccinated or boosted.
Journey Adult Day Center is one place you'll be able to get a rapid COVID-19 test Monday through Friday between 3 and 6 p.m.
Even if you're vaccinated, you need to get tested. It is very important out there not to only protect yourself from the flu, from other diseases going on, but know that this variant is not a respective person.
Now, there are some COVID-19 testing events taking place next week. On the 1st of January, StarMed will be at Union Baptist Church in Winston-Salem conducting tests from noon until 5 p.m. On the 2nd of January, StarMed will be at Four Seasons Mall conducting tests from noon until 7 p.m.
You also want to keep an eye on those symptoms for Omicron. They're pretty similar to other variants, but experts have identified the 5 most common: runny nose, headache, fatigue, sneezing, and sore throat. If you have any of these, or you even came in contact with someone who did, it is even more important to go get tested.